What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. So if you have already seen the title and seen my thumbnail, you know I got something. So recently it's been like really in trend, and then I've seen it a lot. I've seen a lot of it on my news feed, and like I see a lot of people trying it. And then my girl has also tried and reviewed magnetic eyelashes. So if you haven't checked that out, please go there and go to her ID, link in the description below. So without further ado, oh my god, look at it. Are you focusing on it? But look at it, isn't it pretty? Oh my, it's so pretty. The box is so pretty. Okay, I'm actually kind of nervous about it. So let's go through the instructions. Like, it looks so cute. Okay. Step 1. Place your plastic cosmetic lashes over your own lashes to see if it's the right length for you. If not, you can trim away one magnet from either the inner or outer corner. So I've seen, actually I went to like see a couple of reviews about this. So like everybody measures up to their eyelashes. Where's my scissors? As I was saying, so everybody kind of cut off the outer layer. Can actually like feel the magnet, like the magnetic part there, right? Like a magnet strip there for you to hold. Oh, you can feel it. Okay. See, is that a magnet? Okay, you know what? Let's try not to cut it first, cause like I'm a pussy and I'm very afraid I will ruin it. So I don't know what is this for. I've been trying to figure it out yesterday. Then what is this for? But I'm just really not very good at this, or like. So that's the whole point, right? Of like being like easy makeup stuff. So it'll be easy to use anyway. Okay, so this is the really cute magnetic eyeliner. So we're gonna try it. Okay, actually I'm a bit scared, to be honest. I feel like whoa. Okay, if you realize I've gone completely quiet because I need to focus. I cannot do two things at once. And it's very wet, I can feel it.
Very wet, I can feel it.
Oh my god, I mean like it just feels like liquid eyeliner, what am I saying? Even? Okay, now that I have my eyeliner on, I'm supposed to let it dry. I cannot really see if it's even. But I can feel like it's very wet. I mean, it feels kind of sticky, but it's not as sticky as I thought it would be. So I think it's okay. But it's thin. I mean, like, I don't know if this is the problem with like liquid eyeliner or it's just magnetic eyeliner. But I feel like this. It's very excited. I'm very excited to put it on. But how do I know if it's dry or not? Oh, okay. Maybe I should cut the inner bit like. I don't know actually. You know what? I'm just gonna try it first. Let's see if you have to cut. Oh my god, how do I tell if it's dry or not? I think it's dry. Oh, that was pretty fast. Damn, girl. Oh, that's light. I mean like, okay, yeah, it does stick like super easily. But like, I don't know what is up with the front. Okay, it's too much to the side. No. I don't know, I think maybe I didn't put enough in the front of the of my the inner eyelid area, so it's like not sticking well. I think that's a human error, that's my own error. But like other than that, can you see? Let's do both sides. Oh, this like fit like a glove. This like went in so easily, but overall, I think I'm just not used to it because it's a little uncomfortable. But like, girl, just look at me. I feel like an expensive girl already. I really think like, okay, maybe I need to go and find out how do I do this, but to go and trim the lashes away, like trim the maybe the inner side so it doesn't feel so pokey and uncomfortable. But honestly, I think it was pretty great. It's pretty good. It was really, really good. Okay, so I'm gonna go about my day and then we'll come to removal in just a little bit. Alright, see you later. So now I'm going to be removing my makeup. I want to see how easy the eyeliner comes off and or like how troublesome it takes. I don't know. And I know what this is for already. It's for me to get my eyelashes. So like, cause apparently when I put it on, my fingers might be too fat. Please refer to the clip.
Like, what is this? What is this used for?
To put your lashes on.
Like, to put it on? Like, what if I get myself?
No, you hold your lashes and then you put it in like that because your fingers so big. Because your fingers are big. I'm saying everybody's fingers are big.
What is this rude?
I'm not being rude. I'm just telling you what is it for.
Okay.
Ask me that question.
Okay, bye!
Lah.
Okay. I'm so afraid I'm gonna get my own eyelash out. Good things must be preserved, so I'm gonna put it nicely back into the box. You see, I use the cat thing, I kept out my own eyelash. I think it's my own eyelash, I don't know. Anyway, so now I'm going to be removing my eyeliner. Yeah. I mean, it's coming out lah, like, but okay, I have to say it's easier to remove the eyeliner than to remove mascara in general. So like, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. Let me get this out. I poke my own eye. Okay. Okay lah, overall it was like quite easy to remove. I mean, it wasn't too bad. Like, it came off nicely, so I think it's fine. I think it's fine. And that concludes my video. So I think overall it was a good buy. I mean, like, I wouldn't generally wear it every day, but I feel like it's gonna make me feel very fancy and very pretty and like, but anyway, so thank you for watching. I hope this gives you a little insight on Eyelashes Plastic Cosmetics, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Alright, bye!